Night Guardians of Relativity is a story about a bunch of heroes, and they are policing time travel.
Okay.
And the reason they're doing this is because time travel is being used as a weapon. So when you watch sort of most sci-fi about time travel, it's usually used as a transportation device.
Right.
But in this, it's sort of a doomsday device. And so the world was basically just destroyed, and there's only 6 cities left at this point. And the UN comes together, good old UN, and is like, we need to do something about this. We need to make it a change. And so they bring the Night Guardians together. And the thing that separates the Night Guardians from everyone else is it's sort of a bias, but they're allowed to have one time machine. Just in case somebody else makes a time machine, they can go back in time and stop them.
Got it.
Intrigued? Night Guardians of Relativity is a new sci-fi comic book series from Titan One Studios. It's an adaptation of a novel by British author Gareth Roberts. It can be described as a mashup of Game of Thrones, Mad Max, and The Time Machine, with an ethnically diverse cast of characters telling multicultural stories.
It's very multicultural, I think, this. And so where Saga sort of has this sort of intergalactic sense of multiculturalism, we've got this really natural global sense of multiculturalism.
It also features strong, complicated female leads.
Right now, let's write women who are interesting and different and are strong, but also invulnerable.
Fans can explore multiple comic book series, including Pioneers of Relativity, which takes place in the 1950s with a female protagonist who invented time travel. Fans can also expect a series of novels by Gareth Roberts, a video game, a TV series, and a VR experience, all part of the studio's new story platform called the Relativity Universe.
So it is multiple storylines happening simultaneously in multiple locations and times.
I think the portrayal of our world as a post-apocalyptic environment is always interesting to see, because I feel like it's always a bit of a warning, a bit of an alarm bell. And ultimately, I think it's good sci-fi. I think good sci-fi speaks to the struggles or hurdles that we're dealing with as a species.
At this point, what are you most excited about people actually getting their hands on or experiencing with this?
The art's amazing. From a writing standpoint, I would say I think people would be really excited to find out that even though this is a sci-fi story with lots of spectacle, once you strip that away, there's a lot of really gritty human elements that I think we can all relate to.